imagine a house. Inside it, there is a private cinema, a personal art gallery, and even a helicopter pad. But what truly makes this house expensive is not its walls. It's its location, its story, and its inaccessibility. There are houses in this world that do not speak with their price. They speak with power. Today, I'm taking you inside the living spaces of kings, billionaires, and the richest 0.001% of the world. If you're ready, let's take a closer look at the most expensive and luxurious homes on Earth. 1. Buckingham Palace, England. Estimated value, $4.9 billion. We begin our list with a residence that technically isn't for sale, yet remains one of the most valuable homes in the world. 775 rooms, 19 staterooms, 52 royal bedrooms, located in the very heart of London. This is not just a home. It is the symbol of the British monarchy. If it were ever placed on the market today, its value is estimated to approach $5 billion. 2. Antalya, India. Estimated value, $2 billion. The most expensive private residence of the modern world. A towering structure with 27 floors, owned by Mukesh Ambani, staffed by hundreds of employees. Private cinemas, temples, and grand ballrooms. Antalya is not an ordinary residence. It was engineered to withstand extremely powerful earthquakes. This is not a house. It's a vertical city. 3. Villa La Pole de France. Estimated value, $750 million. A dream overlooking the Mediterranean on the French Riviera. Sprawling acres of land, meticulously landscaped gardens. An Olympic-sized swimming pool. A history spanning more than a century. This villa has passed through the hands of kings and billionaires alike. Its value is defined not by luxury alone, but by its location and historic legacy. 4. Fairfield, POND, United States. Estimated value, $500 million. One of America's most expensive private estates. 29 bedrooms, 39 bathrooms, its own independent energy system. Set on an enormous property. This home is so vast, it functions almost like a private town. Once inside, it's easy to lose your way. 5. The One Los Angeles. Estimated value, $295 million. The pinnacle of modern luxury in the hills of Hollywood. Tens of thousands of square meters of living space. Multiple swimming pools. A private nightclub. Massive garages for luxury car collections. This home pushed every limit, yet ironically, due to financial difficulties, it was eventually auctioned. Sometimes, even the most expensive homes are the most fragile. 6. Palazzo di Amora, United States. Estimated value, $195 million. Its name means Palace of Love. Private vineyards, vast wine cellars, Mediterranean-inspired architecture. A blend of romance and pure grandeur. This place feels less like a home and more like a scene from a luxury film. 7. Opus, Hong Kong, China. Estimated value, $170 million. One of the most expensive apartments in the world. Designed by Frank Gehry. Panoramic views of Hong Kong. Ultra-modern architecture. What you pay for here is not just the apartment, it's the city itself. These homes were not built simply to be lived in. They are expressions of power, success, and status. Written in stone, glass, and breathtaking views. So tell me, which one of these homes would you want to live in? Don't forget to share your answer in the comments. For more luxury, more hidden worlds, and more untold stories, make sure to subscribe to the channel. And in the next video, we'll talk about places that money cannot buy.